Dealing with the aftermath of a car accident can be a stressful experience, filled with a series of critical steps that must be taken to ensure everything is resolved properly. One of the first and most important of these steps is obtaining the police report. This police report serves as an official record of the accident and is indispensable for insurance claims and any potential legal proceedings. While acquiring the police report is something you can manage independently, the complexities of the legal and insurance landscape post-accident can be daunting, particularly within the bustling hubs of New York. Should you find yourself caught up in legal intricacies or facing a car accident settlement that is taking too long, the legal help of a skilled New York car accident attorney can be invaluable. At Kucher Law Group, our team of New York City car accident lawyers can not only help you make sense of the police report but also assist in claiming compensation for your losses. Contact us today at 929-274-8000 to speak with a New York car accident attorney who is committed to advocating for your rights and bringing clarity to an otherwise convoluted situation. In New York, as in many other states, a police report is a fundamental document following a car accident. It serves as an official account of the events and is often considered the starting point for determining liability and establishing the facts of the accident. Understanding its significance is crucial for anyone involved in a car crash. The role of a police report in determining liability in the aftermath of a car accident in New York, one of the primary concerns for the parties involved is determining who is at fault. Liability is a critical component in resolving insurance claims and potential legal disputes. The police report plays an integral role in this process. Under New York law, most accidents must be reported if they involve injury, death, or property damage exceeding a certain amount. When law enforcement officers arrive at the scene, they investigate and compile a report containing their observations, statements from witnesses, and involved parties, and relevant details such as the location, time, and conditions under which the accident occurred. How a police report helps establish facts and evidence in New York. The clarity of the events leading to a car accident can be obscured by the chaos and stress that follow. A police report cuts through this confusion by providing a structured account of the incident, making it an indispensable tool for establishing facts and evidence. Below are key points illustrating how a police report achieves this. Documentation of physical evidence. A police report captures physical evidence at the scene. This can include descriptions of vehicle damage, skid marks, road conditions, and debris, which can later be used to reconstruct the accident and determine the mechanics of the collision. Witness statements. Officers collect statements from witnesses at the scene. These accounts are crucial as they offer unbiased third-party perspectives on the accident, which can be pivotal in corroborating the involved parties' accounts. Initial assessment of fault. While not definitive, the reporting officer may include an initial assessment of fault based on the evidence and observations. This can influence insurance adjusters and courts' views on the accident. Record of traffic violations. If any traffic laws were violated, the police report would typically note these infractions. Violations such as speeding, running a red light, or driving under the influence are significant factors in determining fault and liability. Injuries and immediate medical attention. The report outlines any injuries sustained and whether immediate medical attention was administered, providing a contemporaneous record that can be critical for insurance and legal claims. How to get a police report for a car accident. File a report. Since the COVID-19 pandemic, the NYPD and the New York State changed their procedures with regards to motor vehicle accidents. If the accident has minor injuries or no injuries, then the parties are advised to exchange insurance information and other details. In those instances, the NYPD will no longer arrive at the scene. However, according to New York State vehicle and traffic law, in the event of an accident resulting in property damage exceeding $1,000 to any one person, including the individual filing, there is a legal obligation to file an accident report within 10 days of the incident. How to file a motorist accident report. The law, specifically under Section 605 of the New York State Vehicle and Traffic Law, imposes a duty on drivers involved in an accident that leads to either a person's injury or death, or property damage over $1,000, to file their own motorist accident report within the 10-day window. The form used for this purpose is the Report of Motor Vehicle Accident, also known as the MV-104. In the process of filing, you are required to fill out the MV-104 form accurately, reporting the incident. Exchange information with the involved drivers if the accident resulted in property damage only. Immediately notify the police if there are any injuries or fatalities. Attempt to find the owner or contact the police if there is damage to a parked vehicle or other property, or if a domestic animal is injured. How to order and access motor vehicle accident reports. The DMV keeps accident reports on file for a period of 4 years from the date of the accident. Certified copies of these reports can be ordered online, involving a 2-step payment process. Ordering process. To obtain a certified accident report online, follow these steps. Check if the report is available by performing a free limited search on the DMV website. You can use the List Reports on File by Date feature to find a list of accidents by county and date. This will provide you with the plate numbers of the vehicles involved. If your report is available, proceed with a paid search, which costs $7. This search can be done using the plate number, license number, or DMV accident case number. Once you have conducted the paid search and located your report, you can order it by paying an additional $15 fee for each report you need. Accessing your report. After completing the payment, you will be granted access to download your purchased reports in PDF format. Remember, you have 7 calendar days to access the reports you've bought. If you need to access your report after this period, you will have to purchase it again. It is crucial to ensure that your operating system and web browser are updated, as this can affect your ability to download PDF documents from the DMV website. Deadline for obtaining a police report after a NYC car accident. The NYPD precincts maintain car accident reports for a duration of 30 days from the date of filing, not from the date of the accident itself. If you fail to request your report within this timeframe, you won't be able to pick it up directly from the precinct where it was filed. After this period, you'll need to retrieve it online through either the NYPD's digital portal or the New York DMV's website for accessing crash reports. To check if your police report is still on file at your local precinct, you or your legal representative can simply call and inquire. Once the report is uploaded to the online system, it will be accessible there for 4 years, except for rare cases. If you encounter difficulties in obtaining a police report, or if you believe the report will have a significant impact on your legal case, seeking legal assistance can be beneficial. A lawyer can navigate bureaucratic hurdles. Attorneys have experience dealing with law enforcement agencies and can often expedite the process of obtaining a police report. Advocate on your behalf. If there are issues with the content of the report, a lawyer can advocate for your version of events and present additional evidence to support your claim. Interpret legal jargon. Legal professionals can help interpret the police report's content and explain how it may affect your case. A police report is an official record that can speak volumes about the circumstances surrounding the incident. While the steps outlined in this post aim to streamline the process for you, we understand that the road to recovery, both physically and financially, can be a long one. Taking care of your health and well-being should be your top priority, and sometimes that means seeking out additional support to manage the legal complexities that arise. Working with an experienced car accident attorney can make a tremendous difference in the outcome of your case. They bring a wealth of knowledge and resources to the table, offering you the peace of mind that comes with knowing your case is being handled by a professional. If you find yourself feeling lost or overwhelmed in the wake of a car accident, remember that you don't have to go through it alone. Contact the Kucher Law Group at 929-563-6780 to schedule a consultation.